welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Microsoft Word document into PowerPoint presentation. So let's get right into it. Once you have your Word document, make sure to change it according with your interest. So I'm just changing the title and the font theme according to my interest. So once I'm okay with it, I'm just gonna, you can see on the title bar, there is a drop down option that is Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it and you can see an option, More Commands. Click on it. And here you can see some popular commands that is showing right now. Click on the drop down box and select all commands. Once you're in there, scroll down and you can see an option, Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on it and click Add and click OK. Once it is done, you can see there will arrive an option like this, and if you hover on it, it will say Send to Microsoft PowerPoint, and click on it. You just have to wait a while. And there you can see your PowerPoint presentation. That was once your Word document is currently in PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, that was easy, right? So if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.